I'm Monique with Great Day Property Management. I am about to walk in on this project that I have been vlogging about. Be sure to check the whole playlist and check the dates so that you see the order of all of them. I believe the kitchen is in progress. I don't really know, but this is very exciting to watch this whole project from start to finish. So let's key up the intro and let's get started. Buy houses in Detroit, we renovate them, and we sell them to investors from all over the country and all over the world. And this house has been a little bit out of what we normally do because we're helping out some other investors on their renovation project. And I thought it'd be a great opportunity to get a vlog of the whole thing so you can see exactly what is going on and how we do our renovation and how good our crew is at it. And that's why I made this video. We also offer consulting. If you have a project already going in Detroit and you need some boots on the ground, you need an investor inspection, you are about to rent to somebody with Section 8, you want to know what it takes to pass an inspection, that's a service that we offer. So Jeff is just about to walk in. I probably shouldn't bombard him with a camera in his face. Hey, Jeff. So I'm gonna wait for him to walk in and give us a tour himself of what's going on. But first I noticed the fireplace really cleaned up beautifully. So I'll let Jeff tell the rest about the renovation. I haven't seen it yet. I'm so excited. We sell fully renovated houses. We sell 1 to 2 a month, around that. So we do have a waiting list going. If you are interested in buying one of those houses, you can get on our exclusive buyers list, and the link will be in the information section below. And I just wanted to say that while I'm sitting on the toilet.
We're at about a week from being done now. With my part, that doesn't include the sanding and finish of the floors and like glazing of the bathtub. That'll all come after the heat is up and running in the house, which hopefully will be within the next 15 days or so. But anyways, as you see, we're fully painted down here now. Well, a couple of touch-ups areas, but fully painted. The fireplace is cleaned up, which I cleaned up really nice. I like the stone. I'm glad I kept it. Windows, we got all new windows in. So we'll get blinds on early next week and get this place all closed up. I'm pretty sure almost all the painting is done except for the new pantry that we did. He's still mudding that, getting that together. Yep. So, oh yeah, the little, I don't know what they're called, sconces or whatever in the corners. I really like those. Now they stand out nicely. So. All right, let's see, like I said, fully painted now, windows are in, we've got flooring here that will be done Monday. I've got all the cabinets in for the kitchen. This little bathroom's coming together. So this is one of the things you can't control in times of Corona. You go to Home Depot, you go along, and you can't get 18-inch cabinets anywhere. So I had to actually have Pat run to Menards, and he found this one. Not bad, not terrible. It'll work in here just fine. It happens to clear our door by 1/4 inch, so that'll be good. So, tiny little bathroom. We got the flooring in here.
Oh, this is a new floor?
Yeah, I just put this in yesterday. It's a little dirty from walking on it. I had to move some of the plumbing around, so we got it a little dirty. But anyways, the cabinet will go in here, and I'm gonna wait on the cabinet to put the toilet in first because there's nowhere to move in here. Tiny. But it's not bad. The kitchen. Yesterday. I'll have all the tile and everything done today. So, you know, there's going to be plenty. It's not a huge kitchen, but there's plenty of cupboard space. And there's going to be, let's see, we're going to put white subway tile everywhere. The refrigerator will go here and close off this end. We'll have a stove over here. We're in, like I said, white subway tile, probably all the way up to this corner, all the way in and all the way up to this end. And it'll just be easy to clean. It'll look nice. Little custom angled countertop, so when you come in around the corner here, you're not bashing your hip on the countertop or anything. So pretty nice, and I think you mentioned nice little spot for maybe the heat vents there, but a little garbage can under here or something. That'll be nice area for that. Basement, once again, hasn't changed. I just haven't been down there. The other thing I need to do in the basement is paint, and I'm not in a hurry for that. But we've got all the plumbing's up and running, everything's hooked up, everything's running fine, draining fine, no leaks anywhere, so we're all good with that. I don't know what else we've done. I guess upstairs bathroom is on its way to being put together. I'll have all the toilets in today. It'll be fully functioning today, other than finishing up some touch up and base and flooring.
Is there a cabinet in the bathroom yet?
Upstairs there is a cabinet
we can
up
see
there.
that.
Yeah. It's there's a 24-inch cabinet up there. It's still, the fireplace still just amazes me.
It does. It looks so good.
Nice. Yeah. And you know what? It only took, I don't know, 2 minutes to clean that darn thing. So. See that the little spot I had to build up for the heat though. Now that it's painted, it looks all nice.
Yeah, that does look
I don't even see it. So. All right, yeah. Once again, all the windows everywhere are done. We came in here. There were some things in here that were bothering me. I don't know if you remember. There was a gap along the top and filled that.
Oh,
So it looks much better. So. And this room, other than blinds, this room is done for us until they come in with the flooring or whatever. Big rooms. I think this one's 16 by 13. Big room. Same with that one, completely done now. Except for the lines and clean up. Yeah, you get the sun right there, that was nice. Bathroom. So we've got bathroom flooring in. We're still waiting on glazing, but like I said, that can't happen until after heat's on. But we've got a cabinet, we've got flooring.
did you make the floor choice or the owner?
I did that.
I like it.
Yeah, thanks. There was a remnant at Home Depot and it was like $60, so, and that covered everything I needed it to cover. So not bad.
That's a different vanity.
Yeah,
than we
different
usually do.
vanity also because Home Depot's out of them. So there's the same place I got all the cabinets. Actually, it's a little bit more, but the quality is so much better. So I like it. Raphael's got this all painted up now. You know, so when we were working here, we got the water turned back on. Once we got the water turned on, the rise for the shower head was split and blown apart, and so we had to rip this back wall out to replace it. And when we do that, because this is a rental, we stick a piece of drywall back in here, but we don't really finish the edges. So if for any reason it has to come back out, it can come back out with removing 8 screws and not tearing everything up. So I mean, that's one thing you kind of have to think about when you're dealing with rentals is leaving stuff like that accessible without tearing walls back up to get to it, because chances are you'll be replacing it again, you know, so. This room now with the new windows, it's an awesome room. For a tiny little room, I like it.
This is your favorite room.
It is. Yep.
Last time you were doing doorknobs.
Yep, they're all done everywhere now. Yep, everything's operable. Everything works, opens, closes. And like I said, we're hoping to be out of here in 1 week with what we need to do. I know after flooring and stuff, there'll be little minor touch-ups, but other than that, we should be out of here. And what I don't know where we're at as far as like week-wise on the house from the time we started. Is this 6?
7? 6 or 7?
I think we're in the first day of 7, or second day. Wednesday was our starting. So
Okay.
Wednesday was the end of 6 and Thursday was the first day of 7. So
Okay.
second day of week 7, which, it's long, longer than I'm used to. I'm used to having 3 guys, first off, that know what they're doing. And we've got 2 guys.
And coronavirus.
And Corona slows us down. And there's just, it's a big house that needs a lot of work. So it is what it is. As far as timeline, I still think we're ahead of most people that are out there. But it's the finding the 2-3 week houses. People, you can find them, but you're spending a lot more money for them now. And there's so many people in this game right now that they're hard to find. So, you just plan on doing more work.
Or we need to raise our prices.
Well, here's the thing. A house this size, it's almost 2,000 square feet, full total rehab. I'm not giving out any numbers or anything like that, but, you gotta figure, a total rehab on a house this size, it's gonna cost you, so that's what it is. But the upsides on it, this guy's probably gonna get $1,200 a month or something around that, is what I'm guessing. I don't know for sure, but I'm thinking somewhere between $1,000 and $1,200 a month for this house, and so he's got a good return. So, yep, that's about it, I think, right now.